Introducing the DAW 378 metallic 8 kg front loader washing machine. This model has an energy rating of A++ to save more on electricity costs and is a benefit to the environment. The Defy Aquafusion technology blocks the tub outlet to keep all the detergent inside the washing tub, giving you perfect cleaning results and maximum usage of your detergent. The DAW 378 offers 16 wash programs for your convenience, which includes 4 auxiliary functions. With its innovative motor technology, the Pro Smart Inverter motor extends the life of your washer and is backed by a 10-year warranty. The pump filter has been engineered to reduce fluff collection, protecting the pump from a buildup of lint. Child and loading door lock to keep the little ones safe. Hygienic washing at 20 degrees Celsius. This ensures a 70% energy saving and helps to retain the color of your clothes and keeps your clothes free of allergens. This model has a spin speed of 1200 RPM.